Linking an outbreak of a foodborne parasite in several states to lettuce served at Taco Bell's in the Midwest and in the East. Fox 13's Shawn Chitnis has more on what we're learning as the number of cases across the U.S. keeps growing.
Both the CDC and the FDA say a single supplier of iceberg lettuce from Mexico was used at Taco Bell restaurants in 5 states. Washington is not one of those states. The Washington Post is reporting the supplier is Taylor Farms, which is based in California. The 5 states named by the CDC include Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, Ohio, and West Virginia. The agency says people should not eat shredded iceberg lettuce at Taco Bell locations in those states. The illness, Cyclosporiasis, is spread when people consume food or water contaminated by the parasite. It doesn't spread from person to person, and it's common to see cases rising in the summer. We're currently in the middle of its typical season. Symptoms include severe stomach issues, nausea, a loss of appetite, abdominal pain, fatigue, and weight loss. The CDC currently says it has knowledge of more than 1,600 cases, but thousands have been recorded by states across the country. In our state, the Washington Department of Health says there have been 27 cases since May 1st. The majority of those cases are people who became sick after recently traveling internationally. We know some likely got the illness within the U.S. The most cases reported in one state so far is in Michigan. The CDC says you should always wash your hands and thoroughly clean fresh produce under running water before eating or cooking it. Cooking can kill the parasite if the food is at a temperature of 158 degrees or higher. You should also consult a travel clinic or the CDC Travelers Health website if you plan to visit a risk area. Antibiotics are available to treat this illness, and the CDC says it is investigating other outbreaks of this illness that aren't related to that lettuce, which has been linked to certain Taco Bell locations. In the newsroom, Shawn Chitnis, Fox 13 News.
Thank you, Shawn.